Hi everyone. So I just wanted to come on and share something that happened in my dream last night in my sleep. Cuz it was just so cute. Like I just had to share it. Um People who know me know that like lately I've just been so into birds. Like they're just the cutest little thing. So like ever since when I was living with my friend, they had a cockatiel, and my friend had left for like a month, and so I was home with the cockatiel. So like I literally just bonded with her, like, and I just fell in love. Like she's just so flippin' cute. um and like sometimes I would let her out of her cage a lot, but sometimes I would like let her sleep in the bed with me at night, and she would like literally sit on my head all night. But she's just so cute, and like, so it's just like now every bird, like I just can't help but like look at every bird I see. Like they're just so freaking cute. Um, so anyways, last night in my dream, sometimes we tend to like we might sin in our sleep, in our dreams. And sometimes, once in a while, like, I'm not always sinning in my sleep, but like, when I do, I try not to, and I try to fight it a little bit, and then I just like give in and just like end up sinning somehow, some way. And other times it's just like I'm not even thinking and it just happens. um Sometimes like I try to rebuke it or whatever. But so in my dream, I'm just like willy-nilly deciding to just like sin, because it's like almost like, like sometimes you can be somewhat conscious in your dream, like kind of what you're doing. So like, I used to smoke weed a long time ago. Well, not that long ago, but I used to smoke weed like a lot. So if it's in my dream, like, might just do it. But so I'm going to do this sin in my dream, and all of a sudden, it's in my left ear. I hear like super close up this bird yelling at me. Like, it was whistling, but I knew it was like yelling at me not to do it. Like, I didn't understand, like, it wasn't like it translated to words or anything, but it was just like yelling. Like, imagine like in an animated movie, and like a cute little bird is like yelling at someone, and it's just like these cute, like, aggressive whistles. So I hear that in my ear, and I'm like, okay. But then I'm like so curious to, like, because at this point, like, I'm even more conscious. So I'm like, I wonder, like, if this bird, like, really was trying to stop me from doing the bad thing. And so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna, like, I mean, honestly, I was like, if the bird doesn't stop me, I'm probably gonna go ahead and do the sin. Like, that's kind of sad of me, but that is what I was thinking. And so I go to do the bad thing again as like a test, as well as like I'm probably just gonna do the sin if the bird doesn't stop me. And the bird does it again. And it was just the cutest thing, and like immediately, like, I just stopped. Like, I don't even listen to myself sometimes in my sleep when I tell myself not to do something, but like this bird, Oh my goodness, it was just the cutest thing. Like, I wish you guys could have heard the whistling. It was just so, it was like aggressive. Like, it's just so cute because it's a bird. But, yeah, I just wanted to share that because I kind of feel like, it could have been like the Lord, like, kind of speaking through the bird, like, knowing that I would, like, listen. Um, but it was definitely something from the Lord. Um, it was just too cute. Like, I just had to share that. All right. Hope you have a good night. God bless.